Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to farmhouse. I know we begin our vlog maybe sometimes when we go somewhere special, but I'm trying to daily vlogs but not boring. I'm trying to find out some amazing content. So sorry about that. So today we're going to farmhouse. Let's see what we're gonna do there. I have no idea because last time we went there to build some stuff. I didn't build anything. I'm just a useless kid. Okay, ugly useless kid. Nothing else. Okay. But before the video start, if you can see down there a subscribe button in red, it doesn't have a D at the end. Click that and then you're gonna have a D at the end. That means you are a multi-billionaire mind. So just click it and bring the D at the right corner, so you will be a multi-billionaire. And the luck is your. I don't know. So just subscribe.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get up.
So guys, right now I have arrived at the farmhouse. As you can see, it's windy. Maybe you can't hear me. So first of all, let's remove the bikes and then let's see what you do next. So let's go. So already I sent some workers over there to remove from my bike. You're like, boss, come late. So I can remove all the bike. They're fighting to ride the bike, as you can see. So first let's settle up all the
वाह
things.
आपको देख रहे हैं आपकी गाड़ी नहीं वाला
Very funny नहीं था.
ये शुक्र
Keep it settled down. We're on one bike. I think हम दोनों को एक ही छोटी बाइक में जाना पड़ेगा.
ओए सामान
नहीं.
हाँ,
One
तो
bike.
पीछे हटो यार
नहीं. So all the bikes, one by the quad bike, the big one, they took it as I showed you. Now there's two bikes left. This little Ram and this quad bike. So I don't know what should I do. So first let's see. Start nearly. So first let's settle up this bike. Settle up, bro. First let's fix the bike, put some petrol in it, and then I'm gonna meet you guys at the other side. So right now we're starting the bike. We have made a settlement something. Rami, let me start. I know how to do it. Let me do it. So right now this bike isn't starting. So same there. This bike is also not starting. So we're thinking, take this rope, tie with a car.
No.
Yes. Tie this rope with a car, and then we're gonna start the bloody bikes. So something we need to take this, tie it around the car, do this, put it in like this.
नहीं अंकल तो टाइम लगना हो रहेगा सर
No. We're gonna make this. We're gonna make a knot and tie it full tightly. Here, full tight. And then we're gonna pull the bike with the car with the brand new. This is Toyota brand new 2022 model, right?
which one
This behind you.
yeah it's a new 2022 model yeah
Yes, as you can see. Full carbon fiber. With the gold features, as you can see. It's all gold. And with this, you can get this free dog also. You free, right? You free?
my name is Jeff
So as you can see, this big bike is also started. But this small bike, as you can see behind me, this one, not just started. But I think this is the perfect time to say, please subscribe. That's gonna help us a lot. One subscribe one subscribe equal one bike. So if you want this bike, so subscribe, because you know what is this?
This is business.
You know, like they say, बूंद बूंद नहीं, कतरा कतरा एक बूंद बनता, अब कब कतरा कतरा एक दरिया बनता है. So please subscribe. Please. So right now, dog is learning to ride some causeway, as you can see.
नहीं ये तो ब्रेक खराब है हां कोई ब्रेक नहीं है
क्या है? ये लो. Oh, nice catch. So दरान के पास है. So right now let's go to the horse and let's check what is happening over there, because we have bought some new saddles and everything for the horse. So let's go and let's see. So right now I'm going back because still horse is getting ready, so I don't want to waste my time over there. So now let's go back and let's see where should we go, what should we do, because I have no idea, because horse is getting ready. And right now I don't want to ride bike. We're gonna ride bike at the night, not right now, so stay tuned. Who? Right now they have took all the bikes. As you can see, they had took the dirt bike, small bike had no petrol in it, and the quad bike Cospace took it away. So let me show you guys my board tricks. When I'm bored, what should I do? So let me show you guys how to become happy in bored places also. Guys, right now we're doing test.
No, we are not.
We are.
No, we are not. No, we are not.
So I'm gonna meet you guys after the test finish.
No, we are not.
Guys, right now I have just finished my test. So now let's go first on a nice quad bike ride, and then let's go after that to the horse riding. So let's go. We're gonna ride bike at the night, not right now. So we're gonna ride bike at the night, not right now. So
मेरा मुंह से निकल गई, मेरी जबान टूट गई यार.
Yeah. Siege. Riley. Taz. Yeah. Set me.
right now we're riding horse, as you can see. It's ready. So now let's go and ride the horse. Come on, boys. So as you can see in front of me, first my cousin is gonna ride the horse.
पीछे से हट जाओ लात मार देगा हस हस
Riley. Taz. Yeah. Set me.
आप भगा भी सकते हो अभी?
फिर आपको मैं भेजूंगा कि
मैं भगा मैं सकता हूँ, रोकना मुझे नहीं आता.
नहीं मैं भगा सकता हूँ भगाना चैलेंज करके भगाने ओए
हाँ.
सो मेरे एक कंधे पे रखो ना रोल हिलना ओके
Yeah. Siege. Riley. Taz. Yeah. Set me free.
Guys, right now I'm back home, as you can see. So it's around 11 o'clock. So I know I came home early because there was a lot of cold out there. So that's we came home early. We can't ride bike so much because it's cold. Can't ride horse and do all fun stuff. And so I know this vlog is small, but I promise you next time it's gonna be a big long vlog. Not sure about that, but so this is the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, family, and I'm gonna meet you guys next time. Until then, peace.